Keep listening to English every single day helps improve your understanding and speaking naturally. It trains your ears to recognize words, sounds, and phrases. Daily practice builds confidence, vocabulary, and fluency. Stay patient and consistent. The more you listen, the more confident you'll become in speaking and understanding English fluently. I am a homebody. I am a homebody. That means I like to stay at home. I enjoy being in my house more than going out. Some people like parties, crowds, and travel. But I feel happy and peaceful at home. At home, I can be myself. I don't have to dress up. I can wear comfortable clothes. I don't need to smile if I don't feel like it. I don't need to talk a lot. I can just relax and enjoy the quiet. My home is my favorite place in the world. It is where I feel safe. It is where I feel warm. I like the feeling of sitting on my own sofa, drinking tea, and reading a book. I like listening to music or watching a good movie in my own room. I don't hate people. I love my family and friends. I enjoy talking to them. But I enjoy it more when they come over to my house. I like small visits. I don't enjoy being in big groups or going to loud places. It's not because I'm shy. It's just because I like calm and simple things. When I go outside, I get tired. The noise, the traffic, the crowds, they all make me feel tired. But when I stay home, I feel calm. I feel happy. I feel like I have time to think, rest, and breathe. I have many fun things to do at home. I love reading books. I love writing in my journal. I like cooking simple meals. I enjoy cleaning and making my home feel nice. I also like learning new things on the internet. I can study languages, watch videos, or listen to soft music. At night, I feel the best. I can sit near the window and look at the stars. I can enjoy the quiet sound of the night. Sometimes, I light a candle and sit in peace. I think about my day. I say thanks for the little things. I enjoy these moments. Some people may not understand why I like to stay home so much. They may say I'm boring. They may say I need to go out more. But I don't feel bad. I know who I am. I know what makes me happy. I don't need big adventures to feel joy. I find joy in the small things. When I stay home, I don't waste time. I grow in silence. I think more. I learn more. I create more. Home is not just a place for me, it's my world. It gives me energy. It gives me peace. It gives me love. Of course, sometimes I go out. I go for walks. I visit my family. I shop when I need to. I go to work or school. I do my duties. But as soon as I finish, I go home. Home is where I want to be. Home is my favorite place to rest and be happy. I also enjoy watching the rain through the window. I love the sound it makes. I make a warm drink, wrap myself in a soft blanket, and feel thankful. These small things mean a lot to me. They may seem simple, but they are special. I love weekends at home. I wake up slowly. I make breakfast. I sit and enjoy the morning. I don't need to rush. I don't need to dress up or drive anywhere. I feel free at home. I think being a homebody is a beautiful thing. It means I know what I like. It means I enjoy my own company. It means I have a quiet heart. Some people find happiness in traveling the world. I find happiness in a quiet room. I like to make my home cozy. I decorate it with simple things I love. I put flowers in a vase. I put soft pillows on the sofa. I light soft lights at night. I play peaceful music. My home is small, but it is full of love and care. Being a homebody doesn't mean I am lonely. It means I am comfortable being alone. I don't need noise or people all the time. I enjoy my own thoughts. I enjoy my own hobbies. I enjoy being at peace. I think more people are starting to see the joy of staying home. Home is not boring. Home is where the heart grows. Home is where we rest, heal, and feel safe. Home is not something I run away from. It is something I always return to. So yes, I am a homebody. I love slow mornings and quiet nights. I love the smell of home-cooked food. I love reading books in bed. I love looking at the sky from my window. I love the peace home gives me. If you are a homebody too, that's okay. You don't need to change. Love your quiet time. Love your slow days. Love your home. In this loud world, being a homebody is a kind of strength. It means you know how to be happy with little things. Yes, I am a homebody. I love my home so much. It is where I feel the most like myself. When I step inside my house, I feel relaxed. I take a deep breath, smile, and say, I'm home. That feeling is special to me. When I wake up in the morning, I don't rush. I stretch, open the window, and feel the air. I enjoy the sound of birds singing outside. Then I go to the kitchen and make my favorite breakfast. Maybe it's eggs and toast or just some fruit and tea. I eat slowly and enjoy every bite. After breakfast, I may read a book or listen to soft music. I might write in my notebook or clean my room. I like to keep things tidy and nice. A clean home helps me feel calm and clear in my mind. Some days, I cook something special. Cooking makes me feel happy. I put on my favorite music and chop vegetables. I stir the pot and smell the good smells. When the food is ready, I sit down and enjoy my meal in peace. Sometimes I don't do much. I just sit on the sofa and rest. That is okay too. Home is the best place to rest. I don't have to pretend. I don't have to talk too much. I can just sit quietly and think. Many people think being busy means being important. But I think quiet time is important too. When I stay home, I can take care of myself. I can sleep well, eat well, and feel good. That is not lazy, it is healthy. I enjoy simple things. A hot cup of tea, a clean bed, a quiet night, a soft blanket, a candle glowing. These little things bring me joy. They help me feel thankful and calm. Sometimes I draw pictures. I am not a great artist, but I enjoy it. I color with pencils or paint with a brush. I also like puzzles and simple games. I play them when I want to relax my mind. At home, I learn a lot. I watch videos that teach me new skills. I read about things I want to understand. I try new recipes. I write down my dreams. I feel like I grow every day, even if I don't leave the house. I also enjoy calling or texting my family and friends. Just because I'm a homebody doesn't mean I don't care about others. I care deeply. I just show my love in quiet ways. I send kind messages. I listen when someone needs to talk. I make time for people I love. When I go outside, I enjoy short walks. I like looking at flowers, trees, and the sky. Nature is peaceful too. But after a little while, I start to miss home. I start to think of my bed, my room, my books. That is when I know I am truly a homebody. Being a homebody is not boring. It is peaceful. It is gentle. It is full of little joys. People who are always busy may not notice these joys, but I see them every day. I like rainy days. I can stay inside, read a book, and listen to the rain. I make warm soup and sit by the window. I feel cozy and safe. I also enjoy nights at home. I turn off the big lights and use soft lamps. I may light a candle and just sit quietly. I think about my day. I say thank you for the good things. Some people think homebodies are sad or lonely, but that is not true. I am happy. I enjoy my time alone. I enjoy the peace. I enjoy knowing myself. I am not lonely. I am full of life inside. Home is more than a place. It is a feeling. It is where I feel strong. It is where I can think clearly. It is where I can grow at my own pace. If I feel tired, I rest. If I feel sad, I write. If I feel happy, I smile and enjoy the moment. I do not need a crowd to feel alive. I do not need noise to feel joy. I also dream a lot at home. I think about my future. I make small plans. I try new things in a quiet way. Every day at home, I take small steps forward. Being a homebody helps me listen to my heart. It helps me understand my feelings. It helps me stay true to who I am. I don't have to follow others. I don't have to do what everyone else does. I can be myself. I can live simply and be happy. One day, maybe I will travel. Maybe I will go out more. But I will always return to my home. It is my starting place. It is where I feel whole. If you are a homebody too, be proud. Enjoy your quiet days. Enjoy your calm heart. Enjoy your peaceful soul. We live in a busy world, but a homebody brings stillness and care. That is a gift. That is something special. So, I will keep being me. I will love my time at home. I will enjoy the little things. I will be a homebody, and I will be happy. In the end, we all want the same thing, to feel at peace. For me, peace lives in my home. Peace lives in my room, in my heart, in my calm habits. That is why I am proud to say, I am a homebody, and I am happy.